Hello there. We're closing out the final few days of May on an unsettled note, almost dotting the I's and crossing the T's to what has been a pretty wet spring. But as June fast approaches, we will start to see some drier weather by the weekend, and fingers crossed it'll warm up just a touch. But before then, we've got some rain to look out for. The first frontal system moving in during the early hours of Tuesday morning, bringing some wet and increasingly windy weather as the rain moves through. There'll be some heavier bursts as it pushes its way steadily north and east, and even once the front eases away, a case of sunny spells and scattered showers tuck in close behind. So temperatures similar to the last couple of days, highs between 15 and 18 Celsius. Now those showers or the longer spells of rain will tend to ease away as we go through into the early hours of Wednesday morning, but it will stay fairly cloudy and breezy at times, and temperatures holding up into double digits across the country. So first thing on Wednesday morning, generally at around 10 to 12 degrees. So into Wednesday, the low pressure pulls away, but again, we'll still continue to see a spell of showers, particularly out to the east as that front lingers for a time. So showers most frequent across eastern parts. A northwesterly wind will make it feel a little bit cooler on exposed coast, but here that's where we're likely to see the best of the drier, brighter weather as we go through Wednesday afternoon. Top temperatures of around 18, possibly 19 degrees in the southeast. Moving out of Wednesday into Thursday, we're starting to see signs of high pressure building in from the Atlantic, but it'll take its time to arrive. Wind direction still coming from a northwesterly. Still some showers dotted around on Thursday. Hopefully not as many as we've seen earlier on in the week. And out to the west, it will turn a little drier and a little brighter by the end of the day. So here again, 18 or 19 degrees, a little bit cooler along that exposed east coast. Now, as the high pressure continues to push in from the west, the wind direction will come round from a north to northeasterly. Now, it'll be a light breeze, but nevertheless, still a cool direction. The sunshine is strong at this time of year, so if you get more sunshine sheltered western areas, we'll start to see those temperatures climb. But we always just have a more of a chillier feel on those exposed east coast with 15 degrees, maybe highs of 19 the further west with the sunshine. Then as we move into the weekend, well, that high pressure continues to just squeeze that little bit further east, and the winds will be lighter still, so there's a greater chance of seeing some sunshine around. Always with that wind direction, might just drag a little more cloud in off the North Sea. So we'll need to keep an eye on that as we get closer to the weekend. But sheltered northern and western areas will see the best of the sunshine, potentially the best of the warmth, as we're likely to see temperatures peaking into the low 20s by then. It's likely that the high pressure will stay with us for a few days and continue with a good deal of dry weather for the early half of June. But there is a question mark as to the potential of this low moving in towards the middle part of the week. But at the moment, looking ahead, the first few days of June look quite promising. Dry, settled, sunny, and just that little bit warmer than we've seen of late. Something to look forward to. And of course, we'll firm up on the details as we go through the week ahead.